Now, Ernest Chemist Limited says it is focused to increase local manufactured medicines to boost the indigenous pharmaceutical industry. The chief executive, Ernest Sampon, says this includes the production of high-quality health products to deepen the growth of the industry. He spoke at the launch of a new herbal cough product called HoneyKof Herbal cough syrup. Here's more.
There's an increased demand for herbal products because of the efficacy of these products. You know, it's not only of the monetary reward, but we believe that it's the demand for the product and also the efficacy of such products. That is why we are venturing into that area. And hopefully, I think it will be to the benefit of the patient, the customer, and Ernest Chemist.
The Food and Drugs Authority indicated that this is a major stride by the pharmaceutical company in the development of a world-class medicinal product in Ghana. Deputy Chief Executive of FDA, Yvonne Nkrumah, cautioned consumers to always look out for FDA's registration number on all locally manufactured herbal products before purchase.
When the FDA received the application for the registration of HoneyKof as a herbal cough remedy containing honey and 9 herbal extracts, the samples and documentation were subjected to rigorous tests and examination at the Food and Drugs Authority's laboratory. The honey-based, sugar-free, non-drowsy herbal syrup passed all the necessary regulatory requirements for marketing authorization in November 2020 for cough and throat irritation. While congratulating Ernest Chemist Limited for this venture into herbal-based medication, we also consider the achievement as a major stride in the development of world-class herbal-based medicinal products in Ghana.
Meanwhile, Executive Director of the Center for Plant Medicine Research, Dr. Kofi Bobi-Berima, indicated that the future of the business of herbal medicine is bright.
Herbal medicine, our mission is to make sure that herbal medicine, and then our vision and mission, to make sure that herbal medicine is a natural choice for all. And since the COVID-19 pandemic, you've seen the role that herbal medicine has been playing.